Hey, I like this question here brought up on WPMU.org. The question is it possible to create a customized user profile on WordPress site where the site owner can specify, if I could read, what each user does and does not have access to? So you give some examples of things here, and I think I found a very useful plugin for you. User Role Editor is the name of this plugin, and I think I've um, actually used this before, but just in case, I'm going to actually install this right now, and we're going to take a look at the settings, and we're going to create a new user here. So it's called User Role Editor. I'm going to just go into my site here, and we're going to go to Plugins, Add New. I need to update my plugins, and then we're going to search in here, User Role Editor. Alright, first one here it is. Install that, and hopefully it will work for us here. Cool, so we'll activate the plugin. Cool, so it's a user role editor. Don't make fun of me for not updating my settings. So interesting, so select role. So I have S2 member installed here, so it has those. So you could potentially modify those here, but I'm just going to work with the contributor here. So let's say we didn't want them to access S2 menu. We didn't want them to be able to delete posts. And let's see here. Interesting options here. Okay, so actually I don't want to work with the contributor because people can sign up as a contributor. I'm going to work on the editor here. So let's say we don't want them to be able to delete private posts, delete pages, or let's just say upload files. Interesting. So, or we can add a new role. That's okay. So see, I'm learning as I'm using this. So we could add in, let's just say, contribute, or can't think of a good name for a role. Let's just say client. Let's say we want the client, and we're going to copy the contributor. However, we're going to give them ability to, let's say, create new users and edit pages. Interesting. All right, so cool. So I could add a new user that's a client. Yeah, here we go. Client. Call him client. And then you could log in as that client. And in the answer section here is another plugin that was mentioned by this fella here. Does it? Oh, Wireless. There's another plugin that will hide menu items. So this one's available on Code Canyon, which means it costs money. But that's all right for $9. Not a bad investment. So you can hide things from certain users. So I think you combine these two plugins, and you'll have everything you need to work with your users. So I hope that helps answer your question. And if you have any follow-ups, just reply in the thread or on this post.